Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your own ingredients to your shopping list on SideChef. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. After that, click on your cart, which is at the top of the screen. And then you can see the add your own items option. Click on that and you can search for ingredients. Let's say salt. All right, enter quantity, and here you can see bag, bar, block, bottle, and all the important categories. So you can select one of these. Let's say package, save, and then you can see that this personal item was added to your list. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.